Hi all, let's see the long and short sounds of vowel. Let's start with long sound of vowel. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Let's see the short sound of vowel. A, E, O, A. A, E, O, A. These long and short sounds helps a lot in writing the spellings correctly. Follow and subscribe for more. Bye for now.